Dennis Lancaster from Intermission Productions, and we have this terrific cargo van that is about an 8-footer, and we're going to show you how we usually load up the Little Shop of Horror plants, and we're going to do it in bits and pieces. Now this is the plant number 3 base with a swivel chair. It's the first thing you're going to load up. It rolls around so that way you can move your plant number 3 around the stage. And we'll slide it all the way back in with the seat kind of tucked towards the corner. Just like that. Okay, the first thing you're going to load after the number 3 plant base is your plant number 4. This is the big one that eats people. And it goes in this bag, and what we request, carried it all the way over here. What we request is put the bottom at the bottom of the bag and the nose up towards the opening to avoid it getting crunched. And then what you're going to do is tie it up. When you're moving this plant on set, please lift it gently from the bottom. Don't pull on the thorns or the leaves because they'll tear off. But for transport on this bag, this is what you're going to do. Tie it in the bag, and you want to just pull from the bottom of the bag. I'm going to do the fireman's carry, lucky me. And usually 2 people are good for doing this. And what you want to do is pull it all the way. If you're like in a Suburban or something like that, you want to pull this nose up by the seat over there and up towards the corner. And there we go. And in this tub is plant number 1, right here. And as you can see, it'll be explained in the video. This has got the wilting leaves, and then there's the little hook right there. Please, once you're done with each performance, please release the tension. There's just a very flexible plastic in here. In fact, if you forget, you want to tuck these leaves in, get the plastic used to creeping around this bud to get the most effect with the leaves wilting.
In between performances.
In between performances, thank you.
And when transporting.
And also you have plant number 2 in here with the fake arm and a garden glove. And now there is a matching garden glove in here as well. Please send it back. Sometimes they discontinue the design and we have a hard time matching it up. So that is all in this particular case. And that just slides right in there, or if you have to, you can put it up onto the seat if you got a little tighter quarters. But we got enough room, so there you go. Okay, in this bag is plant number 3, the showstopper plant. And it's real important to keep track of these bags because they need to come back with the bags, so please put them in a safe spot where you can find them again. Plant number 3's bag consists of the plant and 2 sets of these very stylish looking legs. Leaf goes on the outside, but that's all explained. And that's what goes in this bag. And just like plant number 4, please put it in the bag so the nose is facing up towards the opening. See, plant number 3, how about that? And while we're at it, here we go. This bag will contain the monster arms for your curtain call. Those are self-explanatory, but there's two monster arms with the flower buds. So you have your four characters that have been eaten, for the final curtain call with the big plant. And one last bag. And last but not least, we have our accessory bags. This is to accessorize your plant. We have 5 of these vines of various sizes to set up in your set, or however you want to use these. Some productions that do the big green mother have actually used these vines from the side stagehands and have them whipping up and down to make the monster plant even more monstrous. We also include some body parts, and we have the red gloves in here for plant number 4. So there's two red gloves. Let's see what else. There's one last goodie in here. Oh, in case you really want to go there, some intestines for the eating of the dentist, if you really want to be gruesome. And there we go. And these all pack into the bag. So there's 5 vines, 2 red gloves, body parts, and guts in this bag. And that, you're all ready to go. Good luck with your production.